This is Redfeather from grephaxs. In this video we will be showing you the unboxing of the Versa chainsaw. My last Remington chainsaw started smoking from the motor and stopped working, but nonetheless that Remington chainsaw served me well for quite a few years. This Versa Remington chainsaw was purchased from Lowe's, and I was quite in a hurry, and instead of reading the box totally before purchase, I asked a Lowe's representative if it included bar chain oil. His response was, all chainsaws are sold with bar chainsaw oil nowadays. But to my surprise, and after reviewing the box, it did not. The price of the Versa chainsaw was a mere $75 and made easy cutting of the leftover pine tree I was cutting down. This Versa chainsaw is a 12 amp having a 16-inch blade with a see-through bar oil container with a low kickback bar. This Versa chainsaw also comes with a easy blade tensioner. Hopefully the easy tensioner will save some time. As noted with my old Remington, the blade would loosen and it took time to tighten it back up, making jobs of cutting much longer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and by all means stop by our website at http://grephaxs.com and see us. Thanks in advance for subscribing. The intro and extra has been provided by Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Have a nice day. I am out.